Hello guys, today I am going to help you on how to change your username and profile picture in Spotify. First, directly go to the Spotify website on your browser. Here, tap the settings icon and tap View Account. Here below, you can find your account information. You can tap the Edit Profile, but then you can only change your email, gender, birthday, and country. But don't worry, we still have a chance to change our username. Just scroll down and tap Support. Here you have several options for your concern. For our concern, tap Account Help and tap Profile Help. Tap Username and Display Name. Here, sadly, that it informs us that we cannot change the username. But if you still want to do so, just scroll down and find Contact Spotify. Here we have several options on how to contact them. But for me, I'll choose to send us a message. Here, tap Start Messaging. Just type your concern in here. You can copy this message if you want to. I wrote it like this. I'd like to change my Spotify username if possible because I want it to be personalized. Hopefully, you'll help me with my concern. And wait until someone from the support that will contact you in order to address your problem. Now this time, let's go and change your profile picture in Spotify. So let's go to your Spotify application. Here, tap the settings icon and tap View Profile and tap Edit. Here, you can tap Change Photo and choose whether to take a photo or choose a photo. I'll go with Take a Photo. Also, if you want, you can also change your nickname in here. And if everything is good, tap Save. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.